The Rule of 72. What is it? What's it for? And when would I ever use it? Those answers standing by. There are lots of rules and regs in the world of personal finance. There are lots of numbers and even ages to know. 72 is not an age in our rule today. And don't confuse it with age 72 for RMDs or 72T for IRAs or even Mr. T or Ice T from SVU. It'll seem like magic when we're done. Unlike those TikTok magicians, I'll reveal the secret. Have you ever wondered how long it will take for your money to double in an investment? Well, that's where the rule of 72 comes in handy. It's a simple way to estimate the number of years it will take to double your investment at a particular rate of interest. Let's check into a bit of history first. The rule of 72 has been around a long time. It's believed to have been first mentioned in the 15th century by Luca Pacioli, an Italian mathematician. He was a friend of Leonardo da Vinci, by the way. Imagine them talking about this over a cappuccino. Now, here's how it works. You take the number 72 and divide it by your annual interest rate. The result is approximately the number of years it will take for your investment to double. It's that simple. Let's say you have an investment with an annual interest rate of 6%. If we divide 72 by 6, we get 12. That means it will take about 12 years for your money to double. But what if your interest rate is something different? All right, let's try 9%. So 72 divided by 9 equals 8. Your investment would double in about 8 years. Pretty easy, right? Aren't you glad you memorized all those times tables in elementary school? Okay, where can this rule come in handy? Imagine you're planning for retirement or saving for a big goal. Knowing how quickly your money can grow helps you make better financial decisions. It's like having a calculator in your pocket, except this one's in your head. Here's another way to use the rule of 72. Let's say you'd like to double your money in several years, but you don't know what rate of return you'll need to do that. You'd like to double your money in 10 years so you can buy that cabin in the foothills of Tennessee. In this case, divide 72 by the number of years, 10, and you get 7.2. 7.2 is the annual rate of return you'd need to hit your goal. So next time you're looking at an investment or saving for a dream, remember the rule of 72. It's a way to do a quick calculation to get an estimate. And like most estimates in life, they're subject to change.